how to set the keyboard language switching method to language key or spacebar swipe on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then in here, tap on the settings icon. Then from the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on General Management. Now from here, you want to go down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Next, at the top, tap on Languages and Types. Then go down and tap on Language Switch Method. Now in here, you have three options. You can choose using the language key, spacebar swipe, or both. So both language key and spacebar swipe. Now if I tap on the home button to go back to my home screen, and if I open up my text messages to bring up the keyboard, you can see here I can swipe on the spacebar to switch between different languages. I can also use the language icon to switch between the different language input. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.